If your truck refuses to start or your transmission is shifting so hard it feels like someone hit you from behind, then you might have a hidden electrical problem starving your sensors of the juice they need to function. The code P06B0 means your powertrain control module has detected an open circuit in the sensor power supply circuit, which is a serious issue for vehicles made from 1996 to today. This code is a catch-all for a group of sensors that could be anything from your exhaust gas recirculation system to your transmission or transfer case, depending on which manufacturer built your car. Most of these sensors need a very specific 5-volt reference signal to tell the computer what is happening in real time, so it can adjust things like fuel trim and shift points. If that power is cut off because of a blown fuse or a broken wire, the computer goes into a panic and your drivability goes out the window. You might see your transfer case stop working entirely on your 4-wheel drive truck, or your engine might hesitate and stumble every time you step on the gas. The most common causes are a simple blown fuse or a wire that has been cut or burned by a hot exhaust pipe, but it could also be an internal failure in the powertrain control module itself. To troubleshoot this, you should first scan for any other specific sensor codes that might give you a better clue of where to look, since this code usually travels with others. Perform a detailed visual inspection of the wiring harnesses, looking for any bare spots or signs of water damage in the connectors. Use your digital multimeter to check the fuses and relays, making sure to test them while the circuit is under a load so you get an accurate reading instead of a ghost voltage. If you find that the computer is not outputting that 5-volt signal at all, then you might have a corrupted module that needs to be reprogrammed or replaced entirely. Since replacing a computer is one of the most expensive repairs you can do, you should always rule out the simple wiring and ground issues first. You should also check the chassis and engine ground junctions to make sure they are tight and free of rust. If you find yourself staring at a complex wiring diagram and feel overwhelmed, it is time to call in a professional who has the specialized tools to reprogram your car's brain. Keeping your electrical connections tight and clean is the best way to ensure all those expensive sensors stay happy and your car stays on the road.